In this box here, we have the Hover-1 electric scooter. It doesn't look like there's much assembly required. This is what it looks like when it comes right out of the box. It's pretty much fully assembled. Putting the handlebars on is really simple. All you do is you just stick that wire in there, you slide that in, and then you've got a couple of bolts, and with the provided Allen wrenches, it just goes on really, really easy. And that's what the handlebar assembly looks like once it's all put together. For storage, easy enough. Pull the lever down and you're ready to put it away. You want to ride it, you bring the handlebars up, click it into place, and you're ready to go. 18 miles per hour, 12-mile range, 5-hour charge, LCD display, 10-inch high grip tires, 264 pounds maximum weight. That's good for me. I'm a little bit of a heavyweight. It says here that it's got cruise control and it weighs less than 35 pounds. To turn it on, you hit the button. Hit the button briefly, you get mode 1. Hit the button briefly, you get mode 2. Hit the button a couple of times, the light comes on. Light comes on in the foot pad. Light comes on underneath, making you much, much easier to see at night. And the light comes on in the rear. You hit the brake light starts flashing. All in all, you got yourself a fun little toy here. I'm outside with the scooter right now, and I'm going to do a test with the scooter. And one thing you should know is I've never ridden a scooter before, so this should be interesting. Woo! Hey, this is fun. This thing is great. I've never ridden a scooter before, so I'm a little bit unsure on the thing, but it works fantastic. I weigh over 200 pounds and it was taking me up an uphill grade. It was easy to control. It was easy to use. I really like this thing. I'm really glad that I bought it, and I'm really happy that I was able to show it to you guys today. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, leave a comment. If you subscribe, that's what helps me the most on YouTube. And one more thing I want from you. I want you to have a good day. I want you to have a good year. I want you to have a good life.